Starting by 4. Top cut, one and cuts. Number 9, Hate. Number 20. Seven, Vincent Muhate. Ball was taken away by Hate. Recovers it. Hate driving. Lazy in. Misses Hate again. Was number 9, Hate. Too deep, but Hate was there.
Fight to shoot, asking for a pick. Goes underneath to Mandaban. Doing it all for Balagtas. Bringing the ball down, throws it on the corner. They guarded tightly by Gato's banging body. Chance to take the lead. After almost losing it, makes to Hate drives, throws it. Hate. 5 to shoot. Spins. Tries to drive. Turnaround shot. Ramos was there. Follows it up. But Hate. 4 to shoot. Draws a foul. Hate. Makes it 10 to shoot. Hate. Driving. Release it in. And 1. 10 to shoot. Ramos. Baseline. Ramos. On a spinning move towards the basket. Gets it. Gives it to Gregorio for Rainbow. Almost, but not quite. What a ball game. Malaking yung spot na naman po natin ang Pandi at Balagtas.
Our best player of the game will receive a gift certificate from Angel's Pizza. Best player of the game with 44 big points. With 3 points made. Mr. Do-It-All, number 9, Hate.
Nauna-una, papasalamat ako kay Alcalde, Elijah Gonzalez, na buong sumusuporta sa amin. Yung asawa ko, nandiyan ko daw, sumusuporta sa akin. Yung mga kapatid ko, si Roxy, si Carla,